4 sliced onions 290 grams, 8 Bombay duck 300 grams, cut each into 2 pieces, 2 chopped tomatoes 180 grams, 5 chopped garlic cloves, half teaspoon tamarind similar to half a lemon size. So welcome to our channel The Foodie Couple 333 and let's begin with our today's recipe. Add 50 ml water into tamarind. Mash the tamarind and discard the remaining solids and keep tamarind water aside. Now take the Bombay duck, wash it 3 to 4 times and keep it aside. Now take a pot and on low flame add 4 tablespoons oil, garlic and stir fry for 10 seconds. Add onions and saute it for 10 minutes on medium to low flame. Add tomatoes, mix it well. And now cover and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Now give it a stir. Add 4 tablespoons Bottle Masala and mix it well. Add water little by little to prevent masala from sticking to a pot. And cook masala for 3 minutes on low flame. Add 2 tablespoons Salted Kolim and saute for 2 minutes on low flame. Add 600 ml of water. And give it a stir on high flame. Now add 4 tablespoons tamarind water and 1 teaspoon salt accordingly. And mix it well on high flame. Let it boil on high flame. Once boiled, make the flame low and add Bombay duck. And gently give it a stir. Now let it boil for 20 seconds on medium flame. Turn off the flame. Now cover it and serve after 15 minutes. And Bombay duck curry is ready to eat. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy!